Okay, firstly, are you ready for this reveal? Ugh. I've been really into like wearing my hair in a hat lately to make it just look like short, because I'm trying to grow it and I want it nice and long, but then part of me knows that it looks better when it's short. Can't decide what I'm doing, if I want it long or short right now, so I can fake it till I make it. Right, hello everybody. I haven't got like much makeup on today. This is a quick rushed kind of like everyday makeup look because I'm very busy today. I'm moving again. You know, this is the 4th time in the last year that I've moved, and I'm moving again. Sick of it. So let's just get into it. Got my hair all out and down, and you're probably wondering why. Some more hair extensions. 6-Star Hair got in touch with me, and I've got a little box from them. So it's from 6starhair.com. This is a little logo, 6-star, nice, very compact little box, and basically they're like a good quality human hair extension company. So they're just a hair website, and they do lots of different options. They do clip-ins, tape-ins, halo, I-tip, whatever one of those is. It's just basically, it's a hair site. A lot of hair extensions. So I just got some standard clip-ins because, like, while tape-ins are cool because you can get them taped in and it's pretty permanent, I don't know if I want to commit to like long hair that long yet, especially these days. And clip-ins, I can clip them in, have it, feel the look, and then play around with them. So the ones I asked for are the Deluxe Star 160G clip-in hair extensions in Ash Blonde 60, which I think should match my hair. The last time I got some hair extensions, they were a little bit warmer than my hair colour. So I'm going to open the box, and already there are freebies and things. So there's this little clip, some I guess spare clips, but my eyes drawn to this. Mink 3D hair, H38. I got some eyelashes. Thank you. I wonder if they're real mink. Not that I care. I think I'd prefer it if they're not, because like I like the idea of synthetic. I'm gonna have to try those. They look really cute. Lovely little bag. And even one of these. Tony and Guy. To me, that's fancy. I don't even need to put this in right now, but I'm just going to put it in because I got it. Look at that. Got one of those clips. Oh, I love these. Thank you for the stuff that is other than the extensions. Love the bag as well. I remember I got a wig recently. It came in a similar bag to this, and I was like, oh my god, you guys, the bag's so cute. Got another cute bag. Alright, and here are the extensions. Ooh, right. I think that's a pretty good colour match. You wouldn't add. That is a really good match. Oof! I'm proud of me for making that decision. They're all bound right now by a little I guess some sort of bobble. But I kind of really like it like this. It just feels like one big thick ponytail. I just want to just. Well, I was gonna say I can't wait till my ponytail's this long, but I guess I don't have to wait. Ah, there we go. Is this like a bobble? Can I use this? No. Here is one 4-clip. Look at all the hair on this as well, by the way. This is just one of the, I don't know the term, pieces. There are tracts on wefts that form clips, and you get multiple clips on a piece. Is that right? I'm not too sure. Yeah, but look how much hair is on it. Like, you can't even see through that. Like, whoa. And that's just one. The hair, you can tell, is a really nice condition. It's pretty nice and straight. It's really shiny. It's a really lovely colour all the way up to the root. So there's one 4-clip. Then there is a 3-clip, a 2-clip, another 2-clip, a second 3-clip, a third 3-clip, and then 4 1-clips. Jeez, that is a lot of hair. I've got it all in a pile right there, and it's a lot. And these are all 20 inches in length, which is pretty good length for me. It's not the longest. Still much longer than my hair, so maybe, actually no, it is pretty long, isn't it? Now the fun task of putting them all in. And I am absolutely not an expert at this. Not that any of you thought I was. I'm on my own. All I have is the camera, a mirror in front of me, and I can't even find a comb. I'm going to section out the leave out section. So that's all of the bit of hair that is absolutely not going to have any extensions over it. It's going to be the very top layers. So that's going to be like, say, maybe this. Actually, no, all the fringe, I guess. By the way, I haven't done my hair in nearly a year. So this is like a year's growth, these roots. That's okay, isn't it? Actually, no, maybe like this much here. Also, I'm convinced my forehead's getting bigger or my hairline's getting worse. And that upsets me. I have thin hair as it is. Why I need to wear extensions. Is that okay? If you just stay there and behave, we'll get on lovely. I think I want to work from the bottom upwards, so I'm going to get, again, section off a whole other bit of hair. Now, if you wanted to be really, like, actual and proper, you would part it in a straight line at the back of your head, but I can't see what I'm doing, so I'm not going to do that. Hold that all in place with the same clip. Are they called crocodile clips? I don't know. So now what I've got left is this bottom of my hair, which will be good if I wanted to put my hair in, say, a ponytail, because then it means this bottom bit can cover it. So I'm going to take the first 3. I don't know if you want to see what I'm doing. It's kind of rough, but I'm just like along the parting line, digging the clips in. God, I hope you can see. There you go. You could give your hair a little bit of a back comb if you wanted to make sure that it has something to grip onto. There you go, there's one back bit in, and then it just comes forward like that. Look at that already, that's pretty nice. Okay, so then that bit of hair I just clipped up, I can let it back down now. And then what that'll do is that'll cover the tracks. And then I think right above that I'm going to put another 3. Because I definitely want like depth in the back of my head. There we go. Right, there's 2 sets of 3. Just in the bottom of the back of my head alone. Colour match is perfect. I can put in something in the sides. Take one of the 1 clips. That's just going to go right here. I think because my hair's parted on the left today, I'm going to want to put more hair on this side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the 1 clip just right at the bottom, because I'm thinking of putting a 2 up here. Right there with the flow of the hair. And just put it right in there. But when this bit of hair's down, that should hide it then. I'm going to take another 1 clip. I'm just going to lift this bit of hair up. It's not the most perfect job, is it? Nope. Just put the 4 clip there. Yeah. And this just adds some body to the back of my head, which I need. There we go. And there we go. A 1 clip, a 2 clip, and a 3 clip still to use. This is showing. If the extensions had roots on them, they would suit my hair better, but because I've got roots and the extensions don't, this stands out a lot more. So I might dye the extensions and put roots in them. Just going to take that out and see if I can put it somewhere else. Just go right there. Okay, I just want to say I'm very aware this is absolutely far from an expert application of hair extensions. I know. Honestly, I do think I need a bit more body in the back. What do we think? It's just because they go up to here and I want them a bit higher. I could just back comb my hair. I still have a 3 clip and a 1 clip, so if I was better at this, I would know where to put them. Or maybe, I don't know, I feel like I've run out of room on my head, but here we go, I've got long hair. Oh my god, this looks amazing. You can go in a ponytail, if it's all over to one side, behind my ear. Okay, this bit that's going to be a problem. I'm definitely, I think, going to dye some roots into these. If I dye roots into the extensions, then it means I'm always going to have roots in my hair. But I think I want that. What do we think? Okay, so I'm going to show you, like, a full view. Tell me how the back looks. I hope it looks good. It might not, though. Whenever I wear extensions, I think I really like to wear them in a ponytail. So normally it means I put some of them in upside down, and then I can just put all of the hair just like... But then again, I feel like I can do that now, and you can't really tell. Ooh, that is pretty. Something unclockable going on. Okay, so obviously hair extensions are different to wigs, and I definitely like wearing wigs. Especially if I'm doing drag or trying to present more feminine, because I think I've got a really big head, a big face. So I need more volume up here, and a big forehead, and bad hairline, and flat hair, and everything's just working against me, really. It takes a lot for extensions, I think, to look good on me. I'm pleasantly surprised at how well it's gone. And I really want to keep these on now and go out with them. I was planning on taking them off, but I think I'm going to keep them on because I just look really cool. So this hair I'm using specifically is the Deluxe Star 160G. I think G means grams. Clip-in hair extensions, ash blonde, 60. The hair material is 100% virgin remy human hair, and they say that it is good to dye. So there we go. 20 inches, ash blonde, and it's a 160 gram set. And the content is one set of 10 pieces with 20 clips overall. So 2 of the 3 clips were 6 inches wide, one of them was 7 inches wide, and one of them was 8 inches wide. That's pretty cool. They haven't mentioned here the 4 clip. There was a 4 clip one in there, so I don't really know what's going on there. Maybe the 8 inch, I don't know. But I'm going to leave a link to the specific ones I got in the description. You can, as well, you'll be able to check the price there on their website. I'm also going to leave a link to their website in the description, but I'll tell you now, and it's going to come up on the screen. It is 6starhair.com. So 6 spelled out like the word SIXSTARHAIR.com. And as well, now if you go over to their website, you have a discount code that you can use exclusive to my viewers, and that is simply AVA. So just AVA. Use that on 6starhair.com and you can get yourself a discount, and that will give you $10 off your order. So just use the code AVA for $10 off. Save some money with my name and get yourself some hair extensions. I highly advise, approve, request, endorse these hair extensions. 6-Star Hair, you did it. Thank you for letting me try these. Your hair is great. It's great quality. I don't even need to straighten these or anything. It's just perfect straight out the bag. I haven't even styled them yet or dyed them or anything. So can you imagine how good they're going to look when I do all of that? So in the meantime, hope you enjoy this video. Sorry I'm not in more makeup. Please use the code AVA. It means a lot to me if people actually use the codes that I'm given. I hope you like the video and hope you like these extensions. Comment down below what you think of these extensions and just any opinions you've had when watching this. Alright, so if you like the video, please give it a like. If you didn't, you don't have to. If you're new to me and my channel and everything, please subscribe. My numbers are going up and I'm really close, not really close, I'm on 17,000 as filming this. But I really want to hit 20,000 subscribers. That's going to be like such a milestone. Please subscribe. Do anything you can to help. It all helps. Comments, likes, subscriptions, but more importantly sharing. If you share the video, that'd be great. So if you do subscribe to me, you'll know to look at videos very regularly. It's at least once a week, but I'm going to try for 2 times a week, and I usually post them British Standard Time around 5 PM. You get the gist, you know what I'm saying. Alright, that's all for me. That's all the important stuff. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.